Hey people, how are you doing today? I just want to show you my low budget meal. I have crabs, I have that fish, dried fish, and salted fish, the same fish, and I have that big fish, and I have vinegar and at the same time coffee because as you know people, every time I eat crabs, I just yawning after eating. I don't know why. Keep on yawning many times. So that's why every time I'm eating crabs, I have to prepare coffee, hot coffee. And I miss eating crabs since been long times that I haven't eaten that. And then I'm tired of eating rice. That's why I decided to cook that cassava. That's crabs. Belongs to crabs. And yeah, that's so yummy partner with the cassava. That kind of fish, salted fish. That's one of my favorite. It's low budget meal, but it's super yummy for me. Only poor kids can relate it. If you people are just rich kids, you cannot relate what I'm eating. So I just love it, and I'm craving eating those. And that crops, that cassava is so good. I'm not eating that all the time, only rare, but I'm tired of eating rice, so I just eat that. And that cassava color is yellow. There's a lots of variety of cassava. There are white, there are yellow as well. And since that cassava is tasteless, that is good partner to a fish, a salted fish, a dried fish. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe our channel. And hi to my 86 followers. Thank you very much, all you people. I loved it and you subscribe me. Thank you very much. God bless.